Alright, this is Prizm Choice Mixer, 2-box 133. The bounty's at 13,750. Team draw. Alright, guess the first auto in 2021, 12. The bounty's getting hit today. It's getting hit today. This is ridiculous. It's getting hit. It's getting hit. 11, 12. Minnesota's in the 12. It's getting hit.
We're gonna hit it.
It's hitting. And the next one, we overfilled. Big dopes. If you're on the top, that means you overfilled it. Big dopes. If Mrs. Esplez, write it down. I have to give him credit.
Big dopes.
He overfilled it. Yeah.
Big dopes.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. TD got the Timberwolves. All right, bounty's at and then we're doing number 133. And if we don't hit it in 133, 134, I will add more to the store. I add the next full case. I add the next full case. No Nebula, but there is a Tiger. I've hit some big Tigers. There's the Torrey Craig auto. Denver. Derek Jones, Kleber, Ingles. Nice. Red of the Joker. Denver. We'll take that. Quickly rookie Tiger. Murphy. Definitely take that. Here we go, Murphy. Yeah, we're going to add it to your account now, Big Dope. Sorry, you overfilled it. Sorry. We'll add it. Green Scope. The bounty wasn't hit, though, so. Green Scope is coming. Westbrook, red. Turner. Jabbar for the Lakers. Fox for the Kings. Samanich, Green Scope is a Laker, but it's Rondo. That is annoying, but it's Rondo. And then Porzingis for Dallas. Bounty's at 13.8. Bounty is at 13.8. It's at 13,800. The next one's next. It's either full or it's probably full. There's Murphy.